One of my jobs as a French teacher is not only to teach the language, le français, it's also to help people understand how everyday life works in France. Today, I'd like to share one of those practical discoveries. This week, one of my students was preparing her move to France. She's really excited and she was looking at train between Toulouse and Agen in the southwest of France. In French, a train journey is called un trajet. Répétez, un trajet. The ET creates the sound E, un trajet. And that conversation reminded me of something many newcomers are surprised to discover. If you are traveling regularly in France, there are discount cards that many French people use automatically, like me, but they are often overlooked by newcomers. En français, in French, a discount is une réduction. Une réduction. Répétez. Une réduction. The discount card is simply une carte de réduction. Une carte de réduction. Today, I'd like to show you how these cards work, they are designed for, and whether one could help you save money on your future journeys. The answer is yes. Oui, bien sûr. Because once you understand the system, traveling by train in France becomes much simpler, except when there is la grève, the strike. But honestly, train travel is one of the things many people end up loving about life in France. Public transportation in general. You'll often hear « je prends le train ». I take the train. Ou encore « je voyage en train ». Je voyage en train. I travel by train. Okay, let's go and book a train ticket together. I'm sharing my screen. An acronym you should know, SNCF. SNCF is the name of the national train company in France. And another acronym is TGV. TGV is the high-speed train. They can go very fast, très rapide. First of all, before booking your tickets, what I invite you to do is to buy, acheter, to buy your carte de réduction, because you buy it once, and if you know you have several trips to make, even with the first trip you could pay back the card. It happened to me. J'ai acheté une carte de réduction. I bought my discount card to go to Paris, and in only one trip I had paid it back. So you go to offre here. The website right now is in French. Of course, I think there is a translation possible, so you could have it in English. But I thought I might as well show you on the French website. So you go to offre, and here you have different cards. Okay, carte avantage adulte. That's the one I personally have. Entre 27 et 59 ans. Ça coûte 49 €. Okay. It's valid 1 year, 1 an de validité. And you could also, if you have someone that comes with you, you can also use this card. And I think it's during the weekdays from Monday, lundi, up until Friday, vendredi, you can get 30% reduction. 30% de réduction entre lundi et vendredi. Okay, which is quite good. So you can simply do commander, to order, and then you fill the gap. Serez-vous le titulaire de la carte? Oui. Avez-vous déjà une carte avantage adulte? Do you already have a card? Non. Date de naissance, they want to make sure you can benefit from this card. You are in the right age group, so you fill the form and then you keep going. As I know, I have a lot of 60 plus people who are looking at us. I want to show you the other card, la carte avantage senior. Même prix, same price. So you can have minus 30% all year en seconde et première. Seconde et première, what does that mean? That means second class and first class. Économiser en moyenne 255 € par an. That's how much you can save. Okay, that's not bad. So you can have discount on TGV, high-speed train, but also TER, the slower train, and also trip en Europe, des voyages en Europe. Voilà, c'est pas mal. That's not bad. Alors, commander, you want to order the card, commander, and you fill the gap. Serez-vous titulaire de la carte? Oui. Avez-vous déjà une carte avantage senior? Maybe it's the first time, so non. Date de naissance. You need to be older than 60. So this is in order to know your age. Make sure that you write the full year. They want this format. Okay. Date de début de validité. What is that? They want to know when you want the card to start to be effective. Let's say that you buy it today, but your first trip is going to be in a month. Maybe you can adjust the date de validité. Fidélité number. I think it's going to produce it automatically. Code avantage, this is if you have a special discount code, promotion code, but I don't have any for you. Maybe you can find online by searching discount code carte senior. And then continuer. Ok, ok, donc ici l'adresse, bon, I put the random address here. Et voilà, then you decide to buy it and then you have your carte avantage senior. Okay, now to buy un billet. So first of all, you can also create an account. So like this, everything will be saved there. I recommend to do that. Right, so here is the main page of the SNCF. You can see there is a bit of promotion on Eurostar. Eurostar, if you don't know, they are those trains that connect European cities like Paris, Bruxelles, Paris, Londres. They are very, very good trains. I like them. And you have some informations, but us, what do we want to do is to book a train. So they also say here bus et covoiturage. Covoiturage means carpooling because if I'm not mistaken, SNCF bought the carpooling website called BlaBlaCar. I think now they are like shareholders or they actually bought the company. So it's all part of SNCF. So let's do Toulouse, southwest, sud-ouest de la France, Toulouse et Agen. Toulouse, Agen. You can pick la gare, the station ou la ville. Well, I will just put la ville. Okay. What about the dates? I would choose a further date like Septembre. Allez, 1er septembre. Ok. Retour, this is if you want. Aller is the one way et retour is if you want the way back. We stay just with one way. Aller, ok. Voyageur, here you have to write your category. So let's pretend that I'm more than 60 years old. Plus de 60 ans, donc 60 ans et plus. Ok. Âge, le jour du voyage. I will be, on the day of the trip, I will be 61. 61 ans. Ok. And then here I add my carte avantage senior. Once I have it, imagine that I already pay it, then I can put the date, I can tick carte avantage senior and you can put the number that's been generated for you and your date de naissance, date of birth. Okay, then valider, appliquer le profil et lancer la recherche. We are going to see what trajet, what journey can I have available. Okay, so Agen, Toulouse. Here we have the price already with my card. Okay, so Toulouse, Agen, 1h32, 10,70 €. Pas mal. Donc je clique ici et je peux choisir ce tarif. Voilà. They often ask you if you want to add a rental car, etc. You can simply say passer l'étape. Ok. Et voilà. I can buy everything. They often ask you as well if you want to add an insurance. Okay. Et détail de la commande. Un voyage, une carte avantage senior, 59 €. C'est super. Voilà, j'espère que ça va vous aider. I hope that can help and I hope you can enjoy the wonder of France, traveling with les merveilleux trains. And also, I know I have a lot of students who like cycling. I know it's possible to put the bike on the train. If I'm not mistaken, you can put the bike, I think it's for free on TER. TER are those regional train. I think it's for free, but I'm not sure. And on the TGV, I believe it's possible, but you will have to pay a supplement. I know a lot of people are traveling, the slow traveling, it's quite important these days, especially now with the price of the fuel and the kerosene tax. So I think it's very trendy to travel with your bike on the train, so you can have those kind of slow travel trip. So I hope you can enjoy France this way, and I hope there won't be many grèves, beaucoup de grèves, and that the train will be like in Switzerland on time, à l'heure. I invite you to sign up to the Feel Good French channel. I have interviews with expats, I have French language course, I have a lot of content for you, so this is the best way to support the show, is to make sure that you like the video and you are already signed up to the channel. Merci beaucoup, bon voyage en France, bonne installation en France, à bientôt.